dito tayo ngayon kakain dito sa Penongs. This is our like halfway pa lang tayo sa Surigao. So yun, kain muna tayo dahil dinner time. Tayo kumuha ng priority number. Ayan. Dahil may sasakyan tayo. Priority number. Ito yung mga requirements. Dito tayo kukuha ng terminal fee, another fee, 30 pesos each passenger.
30 times 8.
Yes, maliban ang driver. Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to another vlog. So today, or in today's video, it is a travel vlog, and yan, I'm gonna show you our journey from Davao City to Siargao, and the first leg was already here, and yeah. So that's my auntie and Teresa and my brother. There's Ate Marlene and Auntie Norma. Yan. Time check, guys, is 2:30 ating, no? Yeah, it is 2:30. Grabe. So, punta na tayo sa ating service. Ayan. So, dito kami nagstay. Like 2 hours lang ang aming tulog dahil nga kailangan 3 o'clock nasa pier na tayo or nasa port. So that is the van over there. Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to another vlog. So in today's video, eto na nga. And yeah, it is good morning dahil 3 o'clock na, and I'm gonna show you our journey from Davao City to Surigao. We are traveling now to Dapa, which is in Siargao. Nandito kami ngayon sa sa port nila, and it will take us around 4 hours. Ilalagay ko lahat ng details sa description box kung paano at anong oras, anong mga kailangan, and magkano mga binayaran namin. So hope you will watch this video until the end. Thank you guys. Catch you in a bit. So story time guys. Tanggalin ko muna yung yung mask ko dahil ako lang naman dito, wala akong kasabay. Lumayo ako. So yon, umalis kami ng Davao City around 1:30 p.m. And nakarating kami dito sa Surigao last night around 10:30 p.m. dahil tumigil kami to have our dinner sa San Franz. So kung ganun yung schedule nyo, it is better to have your dinner in San Franz kesa sa Butuan, dahil ang Butuan papasok ka pa ng konti sa city. And yeah, so we had our dinner in like a proper dinner, so we don't want to have our dinner along the road kasi nga meron kaming kasamang mga foreigners, so we don't want their baka mamaya sensitive sila sa mga food na i-prepare, and we don't know the sanitation and all that. So we had a proper dinner. We had it in Penongs kasi nga na-try naman nila yung Penongs. So anyway, yun, we are like group of 10 including the driver, no, group of 9 including our driver. So we rented a van which is 4,000 a day plus a fuel. So yeah. And ang binayaran namin sa port or dito sa pier is sa van, dahil nga dadalhin namin yung van sa Siargao, it is 4,682, something like that. And then kami naman ay 280 per head. So ayun, and yeah, plus the driver, kasama na siya sa van. So depende sa van guys, kasi kami yung van namin, yung hindi siya ganun kalaki, yung malaki. Yung pinakamalaking van, which is yung commuter na bago. Kasi yung amin is only 2017 yung model. So medyo luma na and maliit. Kapag yung mas malaki, it is 5,862. So yon. And so we're gonna take the first trip, which is 5 AM. So dapat nandito ka na sa port ng 3:30 dahil maglo-loading na sila. So we're gonna go inside around 3:30. So yun na guys, and it was so tiring but it was fun. We had only 2 hours sleep. So we rented nag-check-in kami sa isang hotel, nakasya kami doon lahat sa isang room. And pinakita ko nga, ipapakita ko somewhere here or before this story time. So yun na nga guys, and I'll show you around the port. So ito lang guys ang aming mga kasabay sa sa barko or ano man tawag doon, Roro. So ayan, hindi ko alam guys saan dyan ang aming sasakyan. Yan, dagat na yan dyan. So yan yung aming mga kasabay. This is the ticket. Pagbalik nyo na lang po yung fast track para sabay rin tayo, charot lang. So papasok na kami sa aming barko. Roro. Akala ko si auntie pang nakikipag doon. Dito na lang daw tayo, charot lang.
So this is our room, child.
Asa magagi dire? Ay, bongga. Gusto ko to. So, dito tayo sasakay. Dito tayo uupo.
Asan bathroom? Bathroom. You know? Ha? Okay. Saan po ko lang?
Ang travel time pala namin is 4 hours or 3 to 4 hours. Pero pag nag-fast craft kayo, it is 1 hour and a half or 2 hours. So since dala namin yung car, yung van na nirent namin, so it's going to be like 4 hours or 3 to 4 hours. Congratulations! Nakagraduate na. Mababa na kami. So, ito na yung dapa. One. Dajida amin na. So, parang ganyan, guys. Yes. So, yun yung aming van. Ayan. Nakatali po lahat ng mga truck van. Oh, ayan na si JNT. Delivery. Ayan, may mga kotse. Welcome to Siargao! So, yan po. Diyan po kami sumakay. And wrong decision. So, kung may sasakyan kayo, paunahin nyo na yung inyong sasakyan. Kung kayo ay medyo nagmamadali, mag-fast, ano na lang kayo. Craft.
In 200 meters, turn right.
So, we are now checking in.
It's here. It's right there. Okay. Okay, thank you. Did you give everything?
Finally, we are here in our destination, the hotel na Hillside. So, ito mga rooms na dito, guys. So, it's nice. Since our room was not yet ready, so we had our breakfast here at the restaurant. Thank you. Hey! We're waiting for our breakfast. Yeah, the one.
Picture na.
Cute. One more? Oh, gentle. Ano to? Parang ano lang, that one. Staff house? Ah. Okay. Yan. Kasi papunta na tayo ng room. This is our hotel. Our room is over here. Oh, thank you. Okay. Ito yung mga gamit namin, guys. So, where's the light here? So, ito yung room tour, my TV. Hi! So, ito yung kanilang bathroom here. Very nice. Oh my God. There you go.
Miss, whatever. Asan ang suga? Why suga?
Yeah, ante.
Ah, yung...
Hi guys! So, ayan, nandito na kami sa tricycle. Maghanap kami ng avocado dahil si Teresa, yung aming kasama, ay may sakit ng tiyan. So, nasa tricycle na kami. So, andito tayo sa isang shop. Tingin tayo ng mga benta nila.
Patikim nga muna ate.
Patikim muna.
Kainit ka ayo, Charna.
Follow the signs, you're looking like a one-way. Gotta make the right choice. Hope I make the right choice. Hoping that you like boys like me. I know you feeling me from across the room. I got a feeling you could be my muse. I hear strange when I see you. You say.
So we are back at the hotel at this time, and we are ready to explore the island. We are here in Cloud9. So guys, may entrance fee na dito sa Cloud9, which is 100 pesos per person. So ito na yung Cloud9 guys. Ayan. And then, ito yung boardwalk. Wala na yung ano dyan. Ito naman. Cloud9 boardwalk. So, akyat tayo.
You taste like brown sugar.
Ito inaayos na nila Cloud9. Kasi may entrance na siyang 100 pesos guys.
I'm so done if you
the lesson tutorial. ice cream here. Gelato. Gelato? Yeah, of course. So, kain kami ng gelato artisan. Okay, anong meron? Salted caramel. Siargao? Ano yung siargao?
Butternut po and lemon.
Ha?
Fluffy flower and lemon.
Oh, this ube cheese, choco almond. Wow. Kira ng gelato, 200 guys. 200 yung cup, pero ito,
Same price lang po, ma'am.
200 din. Thank you. Gelato, 200 pesos.
How's the taste, ma'am?
So good.
So, may free na isang ano.
Maganda rin mo. Opo. Kailan na kayong Charlie? Surfer?
Wala po, sir.
Corvada. Yan yung ano, parang karinderya turo-turo. Oh guys, artisan turon. Artisanal turon. Let's see.